Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Guys, today I want to show you all of the little toys that I bought from Poundland. You guys know that it's really difficult going to Poundland at the moment trying to get items for a pound. I mean, I guess I better start embracing it because I don't think they're ever going to go back to being £1, but I was able to find some real fun toys that I intend to put in with the Christmas packs for charity. And I'm super excited about them. It might be good gift ideas or stocking filler ideas for you if you have small children. I just think, buying one big gift or a couple of big gifts is great, and then filling it out with little cheaper kind of toys activities. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to show you guys what I got. Guys, this is the bag that I bought a while ago from Pep & Co. I reuse this bag because I think it's super cute. But I want to show you guys what I got. So the first thing that I purchased was this little summer vibes have fun in the sun splash catapult. This was from the summer. This was on sale and it was £1. So I don't know if this is something I potentially will put into the toy packs. I probably will anyway. I just think it's a lot of fun. You've got your little catapult right here. You've got your very soft reusable splash balls. I think you get 6, all different colors, and I just thought that was a great little bargain, so I definitely had to pick it up. And what else do we have inside the bag? I purchased a little blank canvas scroll. I'm also going to buy some paints to go with this and put it into the little charity bag. It is a 38.5 by 29.6 centimeters, and it's also on its own wooden frame. And I just think this will be a great little item to put into almost like an art set for charity. Some people really do like art. I know I have a niece who lives in Canada and she is mega into art, so she loves these kind of things. So I just thought that would be fun, and for £1 I think that's really pretty decent. I mean, if you guys were into doing arts and crafts, this is also a great little activity. I purchased these little items. Now guys, what I will tell you is I thought this item was £1. It hasn't, it's gone up to £1.50. I still think that's not a bad bargain because you're getting the little Amex looper gun, easy to use. Oh, you need to put the little darts in it, and you get a set of 3 darts. The pack of refillable darts, you get 20 in this pack, is still £1, but I made a mistake when I picked this one up because I thought it was £1 and it wasn't. I'm still not mad that both little items cost me in together. They were £2.50. I mean, I think that's pretty okay. So we have those little items. I bought a ton, and I need to show you guys. I bought a ton of these. Let me show you guys if I can get them into shot. I bought a ton of these. So I bought lots of different types, probably multiples. These little dough and sand makers I think are really, really fun. And they're just a great way to bulk out the charity packs. Plus, they're really nice activities. So I bought 2 of the pasta makers. This is modeling dough play sets. They're from the Dough Factory. They're for 3+. And inside the pack, you get an extruder, 1 fork, which I think is pretty cool. You get 5 dough colors, enough to make your pasta dish. And I just think these are a lot of fun. I love how it tells you on the back how to mix the colors to get different colors. So I bought 2 of those. I always run out of space on this table. Let's do this. I bought those. What else did I buy? I got a little safari dough. Inside this little pack you get 3 cutting tools in the shapes of animals. You also get your dough, and you get your little cutter, which is right here. and I think these are fun for £1. I then purchased, let's move these over here. I then purchased the little sandcastles. There are 2 coloured sands, and they're free flowing sand, so like kinetic sand, I think. And you also get the little molds inside. I also then bought the travel molding sand set, same sort of principle, free flowing sand that molds and holds. I like that. You get your little molds and your cutter toy, and you get 2 bags of coloured sand. And then I thought this one was quite cute. This is Shimmer Dough Bracelet Maker. Inside the pack, you get 3 cutting tools, you get 1 ruler, and then you get your 3 shimmer doughs. So these doughs, I'm assuming, have lots of glitter. And I just think these are super fun. So the next little items I purchased are, this is going to be hopefully a shorter video because there wasn't a ton of Pound toys, but that's okay. But I purchased, they only had 1 of these left in store. If they had had more, I definitely would have bought them, because these little Universe collectible unicorns, you dip them in water, it becomes slime, and then you get your blind bags inside with your mystery unicorn and accessories. These were only £1, but anywhere else I've seen these for up to $5.99. So I think this is pretty good. This is 4.5+, so that's another little item. And the last 2 items I got, completely identical, but I'm going to show you guys because I've never seen them before, are these fidget pop tricks. They bounce, they push in and out, non-stop popping fun, and these were only £1. These are little fidget toys I've never seen before. I've sewed into the bottom of the packaging, it's fine. I've never seen these before, so I thought they would be definitely cool to have, and I think because they're relatively new, it would make a great little addition to the toy packs. Ooh. And also to this haul. So guys, that's everything I bought in this little Pound shop toy video haul. And because there really wasn't a whole lot more. I am hoping that in the coming weeks, they may have a different, more varied selection. And if they do, I will definitely bring that to you. But I have placed orders for toys from other places online, and I'm going to bring those videos to you just as soon as they arrive. But guys, I really hope you have liked this video. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please like the video. That's pretty awesome of you guys. And in the interim, I'm going to hope that you guys stay safe, that you take care of each other, and I'm going to catch you next time. Thanks, everybody. Bye.